Hi everyone, this is Leela. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn about how to add the icon for this one. Okay. Today's video we are going to learn how to add icons to the toolbar. So here let's try to have it and I will try to show you. So here let's try to add the icons for this one using the Material 3 library and also create an options menu also called the overflow menu. So let's try to see this one. So let's go back in time before Material 3. If you wanted to use the menus means we need to first create a menu XML design, then inflate that menu inside our activity by overriding the on create options menu method, and finally we handle the menu item clicks by overriding the on options item selected method. But with Material 3 things have changed a little bit. We no longer need to override these two methods. The process is much simpler now. And instead of just talking, let's move into Android Studio and see this step by step. I have already the project created for this video. The project is named implement the top bar application and we are using the Kotlin. In the layout, I have already added a toolbar with a navigation, a title and also a subtitle. And so now and a menu icon placeholder. So this project continues from the previous video. So where we learn how to add a toolbar using the Material 3. So if you missed out that, make sure to check it out first. Before coding, let's look at our sample app, what it will do. The toolbar will have a navigation icon to, so we don't have the actions, right? So let's try to create those actions and finally, so we'll try to add the share and edit and finally a more icon like that. So now also what we'll try to do when we're clicking on the navigation things and all those things, we'll try to show the toast message. First of all, we need the icons. Normally we can add the vector assets directly inside Android Studio. So here let's try to add another one, something like new vector asset, and here I want to have the share icon. So right now we don't have the share icon. Why? Because after the hedgehog version of the Android Studio, sometimes not all icons show up in the list. So my preferred way is to download icons directly from the Material Design icons website. So here let's open it. So search for the material icons. So here you will be able to go into the Google Fonts, and in this one click on the icon section, and here just you search it for the share. So you will search it for the share. Now if you try search it for the share, here you will be able to see, and you will be able to see the list of things. So select the Android platform and click on the download. An XML file will be downloaded for you. So this is the share. I'm saving it, and in the same scenario I will try to download the edit also. So this is the edit thing, Android download. So here also edit, I am downloading it, and the last one which I would be trying to do it is the more icon. Okay, vertical more icon. So this one also I will try to do it, and here I will save it with more. So these are the three icons which I have did. Now copy these downloaded icons. Let's go into the downloads folder and copy these three icons, okay, into the Android Studio. So here I will try to paste those icons. So fine, so all the things has been pasted. It is also a good idea to rename the icons properly. So here I have made it. Finally, set their font color to color on primary because the toolbar background uses the color primary. This makes the icons visible. So let's go into here, and here instead of selecting this one, so you can select color on primary, and here also you can select color on primary, and this one also you can select color on primary. That's it. So now we have made the icons visible. Next we will create a menu design. Close all tabs. So next we will create a menu design. So right click on the rest folder, okay, we have menu design, and click on the new and select the Android resource directory. So now inside this one, so here the menu option you need to go. The directory name also will be menu, and inside the menu folder we will create the new menu resource file. So click on OK. So here inside this menu folder, create the new menu resource file, and this one you can name it as a toolbar underscore menu. .xml file. So here I will click on this one. So here you will be able to see this has been created. Now let's go to the code view. Okay, so here we need to add it. So the first item which I want to add it is the item, and the ID will be share icon. Okay, the share icon I will be sharing it, and not what I want to do, that icon. So I want to add the icon. So here the things will be drawable share, and what I want to do, so do I want to show it as an action? Yes, always I want to show it at the top. So here you will be able to see that icon has been added. So the first item has been added. The second thing, the same thing I will try to do it. So item, and the id will be id will be id will be id, and this one will be edit option, and this one also icon, I need to give the icon, and here also drawable slash edit, and here show as action. So this one also will be always okay. The another one is the settings. So I want to show it as a settings item id. So here you will be able to see id, and this one will be settings, and here the title. So you can, so there is no action for this one, so you can show it as an show as action never. So we should not show it here. And the title you can keep it as settings. And the last one which I want to show it is the item id. So id, so here it will be the sign out, and here you need to do show as action never. So this also should not be shown, so it should be shown in the when the user clicks on that one only. So here I can do title is equal to, sorry, title is equal to never. I don't want to show it. So here I have designed the menu. So now our menu XML is ready, right? So here what it is happening, okay, it should have a title. It's saying okay, title will be edit, and for this one also title will be here. That's it. So now we are able to get everything. So here you will be able to see the menu which we have designed it. Now let's go into our menu. So let's go to our activity underscore menu. So here let's try to get this one layout in the activity main. So this is our thing, right? So here I will be selecting app menu, and here menu toolbar menu. So I have added the toolbar menu here. So here you will be able to see, you'll notice that a 3-dot overflow icon automatically appears because we have items settings and sign out set to never. So that's why the 3 icons has been appearing. So we'll try to override the 3 icons with our icon which we have replaced it. Why? Because it is in black color, right? It is not matching with the system UI. So fine. So let's move on to the Kotlin code. So what I want to do it is, so let's try to get this one. So here this is the main thing. So what is this ID for this one? So we haven't ID. So let's try to have an ID toolbar. Okay, so added. Let's go to the Kotlin plus Java. So here you will be able to see the code for this one. Okay, this is the code. So let's try to write the code. So here I will be having late init where toolbar of type material toolbar. Okay, and in this on create, so what I would be trying to do, so val toolbar is equal to find view by id of this material toolbar, and what could be r dot id dot toolbar. That's it. So now we have added this one. So what we need to do, so first of all we need to change the overflow icon. Why? Because the overflow icon is in the black color by default, system provided one. So we need to give our own thing. So toolbar dot overflow icon is equal to, so here you need to get the resources, app compact resources dot get drawable. So here we need to get this comma r dot drawable dot more. That's it. So we are replacing it with the thing. Now add a click listener to the back button. So here for adding a click listener, so what you need to do, toolbar dot set navigation on click listener. Okay, so here I can show the toast message. We'll try to learn about this toast message in next video. Toast dot make text. So context here, this is nothing but this navigation icon click, and we need to show toast dot length underscore short, and I will be trying to show it. That's it. So now this is our backlick. So now the menu options which we have clicked it, right? So we need to have a listener on the menu items. So there is nothing but toolbar dot set on menu item click listener. Okay, so each item I need to get it. So in this one, so we'll prepare the message for this one, first one. So val message is equal to, we can use the when item dot item id. So I am getting the item dot item id, and here I would be trying to write the code. When item dot item id is there, then you can write r dot id dot share is there. Then what I can do here, so share icon is clicked. So you can use the simple if conditions also, you can use it. Just I am using the when condition, when syntax available in the Kotlin. So r dot id dot edit icon is clicked. Okay, r dot id dot settings is clicked. Next one is else block sign out is clicked. Okay, so this is the thing. So now this menu item click listener always expects some boolean value to be written, so that's why it is showing an error. So here that's, so we got the message. So now what I would be trying to do it is, so here, so this true means automatically it is returning the true. So if you want to return means, so you cannot use the return like this instead of this one. So here you can use return at the rate like this. True also you can use it, or simply you can remove this entire thing and you can use only true. That's all depends on yours. Okay, now I want to show the toast message. Toast dot make text of context is this, and the message I want to show it, and here toast dot length, toast dot, so length underscore short dot show. That's it. So now, so this is all the code which I have in writing, and let's try to execute this code. Let's try to see whether we can able to get the output or not. So we'll run the app. Let's run the app and we will see the menu. So we are able to see the menu, and if I click on this one, so here you will be able to see the navigation icon is clicked. If I click on this one, share icon is clicked. If I click on this one, edit icon is clicked. If I click on this one, so I can click on settings, so you'll be able to see settings is clicked. If I click on this never, oh why, what is this never, I have used it, maybe my mistake. So in the menu, let's go here in the toolbar menu, let's try to, okay, title I am using this one, sign out. We used to use the sign out. Let's try to rerun this one again. Let's see the final output, how it will look like. So now we are able to see the output for this one. Now if I click on the sign out, you can able to see the message sign out is clicked. So now we are able to capture the click events for each and every menu items that we have clicked it. Okay, so that is how you will be adding the icons and an overflow menu to the toolbar using the Metal3 library. This process is much cleaner than the older way, and it gives us full control over the toolbar actions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. That's it guys, so about this one. So hope you understood about this concept.